In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mails in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the process of sending an individual email directly from a record, like a lead, contact, or account. This is really useful because it keeps all your communication in one place, right inside your CRM, instead of jumping back and forth between different tools. First, open Zoho CRM and head to the module where the person or company you want to email is stored. This could be the Leads module, the Contacts module, Accounts, or any other module where email is available. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right section because the email will be logged under the record you choose. Next, from the list view, click on the specific record you want to email. This opens the record's detail page. Here, you'll see all the information related to that lead or contact, including their email address, activities, and any previous interactions. On this detail page, look for the Send Email option. This is usually visible as a button or an envelope icon, often located toward the top right area of the screen. If you don't see it active, check that the record actually has an email address saved, because Zoho CRM will only let you send an email if one is available. Once you click Send Email, an email composer window will pop up. In this window, the To field is automatically filled with the email address from the record you selected. You can add additional recipients in the CC and BCC fields if you want to loop in colleagues or other stakeholders without creating separate emails. If you have more than one email account connected to Zoho CRM, you can choose which address you want to send from in the From field. This is helpful if you manage multiple brands or departments from one CRM. Now, type your subject and compose your message. Use the formatting tools to adjust fonts, add links, or highlight important details. You can also attach files, keeping in mind the size limit when sending through the CRM servers. If you've already created email templates or signatures in Zoho CRM, this is a great time to insert them to save time and maintain consistency. When you're happy with your email, you have two options. Click Send to deliver it immediately, or click the Schedule email icon to choose a future date and time. Scheduling can be especially useful if your recipient is in a different time zone, or if you want your message to arrive at a specific moment, and that's how you send an individual email in